Hey guys, RTT back here for another video guys. Today we'll be unboxing, you see it, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So yes, I unboxed the Galaxy Z Fold 5 recently, and to be honest, still is one of my most favorite phones to date. I absolutely love this phone. But if you remember with the Galaxy Z Flip series, if you've been a long time subscriber to the channel, you know I have not really been too much of a fan of it. I've been, as one would say, a hater of the Z Flip series. The only thing I don't like about it is because I always feel like it's a gimmick and it's something that, like, at first it seems cool. Oh, wow, I can open up a phone, flip it open, flip it closed, but that's pretty much that. So the question is then, why did I go ahead and pick this phone up? Well, the reason why I picked this phone up is for one simple reason. It's actually upgraded. No longer is this phone just, the same copy and paste. It's why I have not upgraded since the Galaxy Z Flip 3, because the 4 really wasn't an upgrade. Now the 5 is truly an upgrade. It does have a better hinge with less of a gap display. It also has a beautiful outside display that's actually usable. The other two generations have not been usable. It also is the first phone, well, the first Galaxy Z Flip phone that does support Esim. That's another thing that's really big about this upgrade. Not many people are talking about that, but yes, this supports Esim. So you're able to just go ahead and insert a SIM card by just transferring it over from another card or signing into your account for your service. That is such a big feature with this phone, and absolutely love it about this phone. So that's why I upgraded to this phone, and I want to give it a chance and really, make this my daily driver. Now, so I apologize for my camera not focusing on the phone for some reason here. I'm going to have to focus it like 74 times this video because it is absolutely, let's focus up. There we go. Focus up a little bit. It's because the RGB in the background, my camera loves to go for the RGB in the background. Now, I did upgrade my camera to the Sony A7 III. It's like a $2,000 camera, but for some reason, I probably should invest it into a lens that was actually better than like 500 bucks because the autofocus is not the greatest here. But you can see this phone is absolutely amazing. And in the hand, this feels so freaking premium. Now, it still does not offer Samsung DeX. That obviously it's the only Galaxy phone pretty much that does not offer Samsung DeX. The Z Fold 5 offers Samsung DeX, and every other phone does too. For some reason, Samsung is refusing to add Samsung DeX to this phone, and it's such a bummer because it would be such a 1,000 times better with Samsung DeX. Now, other than that, though, again, like I said, this is just my first impressions and unboxing of it. I love the phone already, and I know maybe I'm talking too quickly. Maybe I'm putting too much in one video here. I'm going to give my review of 24 hours, my review after 1 week, but it's just so small, so compact. It's a reason why I love the Galaxy Z Flip 3, but it's better of a phone than the Galaxy Z Flip 3, obviously. So it's just everything I love about the Z Flip 3 got upgraded, enhanced, and it feels so premium in the hand. Again, maybe I'll change my opinion after a week or so, but for right now, I gotta say I'm kind of loving the Galaxy Z Flip 5, guys. But again, this is my personal opinion. Definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. We will have videos on this channel of the Z Flip 5 and the Z Fold 5 moving forward. So make sure if you enjoy this content, you hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Get the content, it's coming daily. Peace out, guys.